Hello, on this video I'm going to teach you how to cancel a debit order on the Capitec application. So please open your Capitec app and then click on Savings Account. Once you click on your specific savings account, I just want you to click on Transact button, okay? Once you click on Transact button right there, I want you to click on Choose Debit Orders. It should be in the bottom part of that choices over there, okay? After clicking that debit orders, I want you to choose the specific order or specific transaction you want to cancel. After clicking that one, there should be a button that says stop or cancel, or rather stop or dispute. So if you want to cancel this instantly, choose the stop button. If you want to dispute this and then have a reimbursement or somewhat in the form, click on dispute. But I suggest just click on the stop to cancel everything right away, okay? And that's how you cancel a debit order on the Capitec application. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.